Good morning, children. Hope you're fine today. So let us start with our maths class. So remember, we started a new topic, capacity. Capacity, which means the measurement of milliliters, centiliters, and liters. So yesterday, in our previous video, we did some conversion from one unit to another on the page 108, 109. So for today, let us work out some word problems. So we reached on the page 111. Okay, the page 111, you have addition and subtraction involving capacity. So now you already know how to do the conversion, how to convert between liters and centiliters. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. Okay, then centiliters to liters, you have to divide by 100. The same goes for liters to milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then if you have to convert milliliters to liters, you have to divide by 1000. So I guess it's clear now. Now let us move on with addition and subtraction involving capacity. So this topic as well, I'm sure you'll be able to work out all the questions involving addition and subtraction because you're already familiar with this topic. So let us start the addition. Let us see the example on the page 111. A farmer mixes 25 liters 45 centiliters of water to 8 liters 25 centiliters of liquid fertilizer in a tank. How much liquid is there in the tank? So he's going to mix water and fertilizer. So the water is 25 liters 45 centiliters, fertilizer 8 liters 25 centiliters. So he's asking you about the total amount. So you have to add the amounts. Very easy. 25 liters 45 centiliters plus 8 liters 25 centiliters, as you can see in your book. Then the answer is 33 liters 70 centiliters. Okay, so this is about the addition. Now this is addition between liters and centiliters, but do not forget if you have liters and milliliters. So for example, you have 45 milliliters. Do not forget milliliters go to 3 digits. 1 liter is going to 1000 milliliters. So you will have to add a 0 in front. If you have 2 digits, you have to add a 0 to make it become 3 digits. So this is an example of addition. Let us see an example of subtraction. A barrel contains 30 liters 330 milliliters of water. Another barrel contains 15 liters 100 milliliters of water. How much more water is there in the larger barrel? So he's asking you about more water in the other barrel. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the smaller amount from the larger. So the larger amount here is 30 liters 330 ml. The smaller amount is 15 liters 100 ml. So we'll have to subtract. So here it's very simple, the subtraction, borrowing, and then you're going to subtract. So the answer is 15 liters 230 ml of water, more water in the larger barrel. So here it is, some examples given to you. Now you'll have to work out exercise 3. Question 3 you have to work out in your book. Okay, very easy as well. Do not forget for the ml you will have to add the total will have to be 3 digits for your ml. Then you'll work out the questions. Now let us move on to the next page, 112. So on the page 112, you have some word problem questions. Let us see number 4. We are going to read all the questions, then we'll come up later with how you're going to work them out. So question 4, how much oil is left in a barrel containing 14 liters 78 centiliters if 7 liters 25 centiliters is taken out from it? So I guess this is very easy. This is a subtraction. You have to work out a subtraction method. Okay, how much oil is left? So I'm not going to explain to you any further. Let us move on. Exercise 5. Veronique uses 4 liters 285 milliliters of detergent from the container. How much detergent is left? So you have this container 6.5 liters. She's going to take out 4 liters 285 ml. She's going to use this amount. You're going to find how much is left. We are going to see this in a while. Let us read the another. From a 2.5 liters bottle of water, Adrienne drinks 125 ml and Ashwin drinks 25 ml more than Adrienne. How much water do both Adrienne and Ashwin drink, and how much water is left in the bottle? Number 7. A baker uses 2 liters 300 ml of milk on Monday, 3.5 liters of milk on Tuesday, and 2.75 liters of milk on Wednesday. How much milk does she use during these days? So now let us see all these questions in details. Let us see number 5. So you have the detergent in the container is 6.5 liters. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to convert 6.5 liters to ml. For you to be able to work out this quite easily, because she's going to use 4 liters 285 milliliters. So you're going to convert, as you all know, 1 liter got to 1000 milliliters. Okay, 6 liters got to 6000 milliliters. And what about the half liters? So you have to know this by heart. Half liters got to how much milliliters? If ever you don't know, then you have to do this calculation. Half times 1000 ml, you will get your answer. About half liters got to how much milliliters? So it's very easy. Half liters got to 500 milliliters. So then 6.5 liters got to 6 liters 500 milliliters. She's going to use 4 liters 285 milliliters. Then how much is left? Very easy. Let us move on. Okay, now for number 6. The bottle of water contains 2.5 liters. Adrian is going to drink 125 milliliters and Ashwin 25 milliliters more than Adrian. So how much is Ashwin going to drink? You will calculate, you will have the you will write your answer in milliliters. Then for number A, how much water do both Adrian and Ashwin drink? You're going to calculate both. You write your answer, then how much water is left. So you have two options. The first one, either you will work out this in liters, okay, you will convert milliliters to liters, or the second option, you will convert liters to milliliters. Both options are right, because the amount of water is 2.5 liters, so both boys drink in milliliters. Okay, so you have to work out either in liters or milliliters. You'll have to convert. I hope it's clear. Let us move on with number 7. On Monday, the baker uses 2 liters 300 ml of milk, and Tuesday 3.5 liters, and on Wednesday 2.75 liters. So here what do you see? So what can you observe that there are both liters and milliliters. Okay, so you have to work out all together in the same measurement. So what you can do, convert liters to milliliters. For Monday, it's 2 liters 300 ml. You can convert for Tuesday and Wednesday to ml. 3.5 liters go to how much milliliters, and 2.75 liters go to how much milliliters. And the total amount of milk in 3 days is how much. So I guess this is very easy now for you. Now when you're going to work out in your copybook, I will be checking if you have written all this. You have to show you're working properly and clearly. Now we are going to move on with multiplication and division involving capacity. Let us see some examples. Okay, for multiplication and division. Let us read the example. A container holds 5 liters 220 milliliters of juice. How much juice do 6 such containers hold? So obviously you have to multiply 5 liters 200 ml by 6. Okay, when you're going to do your multiplication, your answer will be 31 liters 320 milliliters. Very easy. So it's very simple multiplication like you're used to do. Now let us see for division. 48 liters 20 centiliters of water is poured equally in 4 containers. How much water is there in one container? So you have to divide. You have two methods here. So the first method, you're going to divide as it is, 48 liters 20 centiliters. Okay, your answer will be 12 liters 5 centiliters. Or the second method, you are going to convert the liters to centiliters. 48 liters 20 centiliters go to 4,820 centiliters divided by 4. So very easy this one as well. Your answer will be 1,205 centiliters. Then you will have to convert to liters, 12 liters and 5 centiliters. 0.5 centiliters go to 5 centiliters. One container has 12 liters, 5 centiliters. Now let us see the questions. Let us see the questions on the page 113. So question 8, very easy in your book, multiplication and division. Let us move on with the word problems. Question 9, 2,420 ml of oil is used to fill up 4 bottles of equal capacity. How much oil does one bottle hold? So 4 bottles go to 2,420 ml. One bottle is equal to, you have to do here, division. Question 10. 9 bottles each containing 1¾ liters of apple juice is poured into an empty container. How much juice is poured in the container? So 1 bottle contains 1¾ liters of apple juice. How much do 9 bottles contain? Here multiplication. If 25 mugs of water are needed to fill a bucket of capacity 8 liters 50 centiliters completely, what is the capacity of 1 mug in centiliters? 9 liters 750 milliliters of juice is poured equally into 15 empty cans. How much juice is there in 1 can? So here you're going to do long division. Okay, how to convert all to milliliters. Let us say question 13. 2 and 1/10 liters of tomato sauce fill 5 containers of the same size. How much tomato sauce in milliliters does each container hold? So let us see now in details all these questions. Okay, let us see some questions. For number 11, 25 mugs of water are needed to fill a bucket of capacity 8 liters 50 centiliters. Then what is the capacity of 1 mug in centiliters? So first you're going to write in your copybook 25 mugs square to how much liters and centiliters. Then 1 mug, it is asking you in centiliters, so you will have to convert the liters to centiliters. Is equal to 850 centiliters divided by 25. Your answer in centiliters. Do not forget the method of long division. For number 12, 9 liters 750 milliliters of juice is poured equally into 15 empty cans. How much juice in one can? The same. If 15 cans is equal to 9 liters 750, one can is equal to how you're going to work out. This is a method of long division because you have to divide by 15 cans. So you will have to convert all to ml, 9750 ml, then divided by 15, your answer. Do not forget the method of long division. Let us see the last word problem question. 2 and 1/10 liters of tomato sauce fill 5 containers of the same size. How much tomato sauce in milliliters does each container hold? 5 containers, 2 and 1/10 liters. So it is asking you in milliliters. What should you do? You should convert the liters to milliliters. So you're going to convert 2 liters to milliliters, then 1/10 liters to milliliters. You're going to do 1/10 times 1000 to get the answer. Then you're going to find for one container, which means divided by 5. Then you will have your answer in milliliters. Okay, children, so that I hope it's clear for you. Before we end, take your homework. Your homework is on all that we just did, page 111, 112 and 113. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we are going to do the conversion from centiliters to milliliters. Okay, children, do all your homework. Stay safe at home. Bye bye.